Now question number 4 is given to us. 3682 minus 4211 plus 5290 minus 3000. So we will write this in our notebook. 3682 minus 4211 plus 5290 minus 3000. So first step we have to add the positive numbers. So positive numbers are 3682 and 5290. So firstly we will add both the numbers. What we are getting, 2 plus 0 2, 8 plus 9 17, so 7 here 1 over carry, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 5 8. So we got 8972 here. Step 2, what we have to do, we have to add the negative numbers. So negative numbers are 4211 and 3000. So we will add this. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 2, 4 plus 3 7. So in step 3, what we have to do, we have to subtract the second sum value from the first sum value. So we will write the first sum value first. 8972 minus 7211. Now we will do subtraction. 2 minus 1 1, 7 minus 1 6, 9 minus 2 7, 8 minus 7 1. So we got the answer 1761. So 1761 is our answer. Now let's move to fifth question. Fifth question is 2897 plus 3608 minus 1976 minus 1002. So now again what we have to do in step 1, we have to add the positive numbers first. So positive numbers are 2897 and 3608. So firstly we will add both the numbers. What we are getting, 7 plus 8 15, so 5 here, 1 over carry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10. So 0 here, 1 over carry, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, so 5 here, 1 over carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. So we got 6505. Now in step 2 we have to add the negative numbers first. So negative numbers are 1976, then 1002. Now we will add these numbers. What we are getting, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 0 7, 9 plus 0 9, 1 plus 1 2. Now step 3, what we have to do, we have to subtract the second sum value from the first sum value. So our first sum value is 6505. We have to subtract this 2978 from this. Now we will subtract this to get our answer. Now 5 is smaller than 8, so we have to take one borrow. Here it becomes 15, but here also is 0 here, so we have to take borrow here also. So it becomes 10. Here 5 minus 1 become 4. Now here 10 here, c1 1 borrow to this, so it becomes 10 minus 1 9. 15 minus 8 is 7, so we are writing 7 over here. 9 minus 7 2, so we are writing 2 over here. 4 is smaller than 9, so we have to take one borrow. It becomes 14, so 6 minus 1 is 5, so we are writing 5 over here. 14 minus 9 is 5, so we are writing 5 over here. 5 minus 2 is 3, so we are getting our answer 3527. So our answer is 3527. Now question number 6 is given to us. A man earns rupees 6595 per month and his wife earns rupees 2585 per month. If they spend rupees 7800 per month, how much do they save each month? So firstly we have to add how much they are earning, man and wife, both of them, how much they are earning in a month, and then we have to, from their earning we have to minus the spend how much they are spending, that is rupees 7800. Means we have to do addition as well as subtraction in this question. For this we are writing the statement first. So our statement will be, a man earns equals to rupees 6595, his wife earns rupees 2585. So we will add both the numbers to get how much the total money they earned in a month. So 5 plus 5 10, so 0 here and 1 over carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, so 8 here 1 over carry. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, so 1 here 1 over carry. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. So we got how much they are earning. Total money earned in a month by them are rupees 9180. Now we have to find out how much they save each month. So, and how much they are spending. They have tell us that they are spending rupees 7,800 per month. So we will write total money earned in a month. We will subtract the total money spent by them in a month from the money they earned in a month. So the total money earned they in the month are rupees 9,180. Now how much they are spending in a month? 7,800. So we will minus from this 7,800, so that we can able to know how much they are saving each month. So 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 0 8, 1 minus 8 we can't do, so we will take one borrow. Here it becomes 11, and 9 minus 1 will become 8 here. 11 minus 8 is 3, so we are writing 3 over here. 8 minus 7 is 1, so we are writing 1 over here. So we got they are saving rupees 1,380. So they save rupees 1,380 each month. Now our question number 7 is, the total number of books in a library are 8,967, which includes textbooks and books on fiction, travel and biographies. If there are 2,805 textbooks and 1,789 books on travel and 785 biographies, then how many books on fiction are there in a library? Now they have tell us the number of books of textbooks as well as books on travel and biographies, how many are there, but we have to find out the books on fiction, how many are there, the books of fiction. So firstly we will add the books, number of books of textbooks as well as books on travel as well as biographies. All the three we will add first, so that we can able to know how many books of these three are there in the library. Then from the total number of books in a library, we will subtract the number of books of these three, the total of these three. Then we can get our answer, that is number of books of fiction. So for this we will write the statement first. So our statement for this will be, number of textbooks in a library 2,805. Then number of books on travel in a library 1,789, and number of books in a library 785. So we will add all the three. What we are getting, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 5 19, so 9 here and 1 over carry. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 8 17, so 7 here and 1 over carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 7 16 plus 7 17, 18 19 20 21 22 23. So we are writing 3 over here and 2 over carry. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So we got all the three books are total number 5,379. So now we will write total number of books in a library are 8,976. So number of textbooks we will minus from this number of books of textbook, travel and biographies. The total we have got here 5,379, which we got the total here 5,379. So this we will subtract from this to get the number of books of fiction. So 7 minus 9 we can't able to do, so we will take one borrow. Here it becomes 17, and here 6 minus 1 will become 5. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. So we are writing 8 here. 5 minus 7 we can't able to do, so we will take one borrow. It becomes 15. 9 minus 1 8. We will write here 15 minus 7 is 8. So we are writing 8 over here. 8 minus 3 is 5. So we are writing 5 over here. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we are writing 3 over here. So number of books of fiction are 3,588. So there we will write, so there are 3,588 books on fiction in the library.